be a very important game for San Juan to continue on, to hold on to that top 3 spots.
Who earlier I was inviting to join us in the panel na pwede tayong maggawa ng Rebanse
Oo.
edition.
Eh, hindi daw tayo kasing ganda at kasing pogi ni Mika at saka ni Christian.
Oo nga. Pag nagsama-sama tayo tatlo ni Gianna, oo nga naman.
6-0 start para sa Manila, but a quick answer by Mike Calisaan. Just a few weeks ago, Mike Calisaan getting player of the game honors without a single dribble
I know.
in the ball game. Now Royce Alforque all the way for the lay. Joe Gomez de Leaño can get his first points. Calisaan once again, 4 early points for Mike Calisaan. Harold Alarcon will represent San Juan in the Northern Division sa kanilang main game.
Gusto ko din mag-ganon. Mga kaliga, in-invite namin kayo.
Oo,
di ba?
pwede, no? Tayo.
Pwede, no? I clearly remember nung nilabas niya yung mga motor sa Binyan.
Ay, hindi naman ako nagulat. High school pa lang kami yan ni Joey. Yung creativity niyan sa pagdadunk, Coach Mike.
And doon ako unang pinakilala sa kanilang tatlo. I'm sure they don't remember that. The dad was there and the mom. And as I was talking to, it was Coach Pau actually. And so nung nakita ko na maglaro ang una ko nakita yata si Juan. He was playing for UP then. Wow, Patrick Sleep.
Royce Alforque, 2-man game, rejects. Gives it up to Calisaan, who is blocked.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Raylan can't get the 3 Sleet out of nowhere, pero si Mike Calisaan makakuha ng offensive rebound. He pushed the ball, Joe taps it. Raylan to Mike. Dipsy-do for Mike Calisaan. 10 puntos para dito kay Mike Calisaan, the leading scorer in today's ballgame alongside 2 rebounds and 0 dribbles. Turnover on the side of Manila. Sleet runs. Sleet uses his body and Sleet is able to finish.
So for this game, he challenged his boys to make sure no Manila player scores more than 20 points. Back to you, Juanito and Mike.
Thank you for that, G. Diba? Nag-share lang na masarap. Paano namin malalaman, Coach?
Oo. Kung ganun kasarap yun. Diba?
Paparehog natin. Malalim pa rin itong San Juan.
And remember the order of the day for Coach Alex sa kanyang mga Knights. Do not allow any player to score more than 20 points.
That's right. How could we even forget?
He is the former San Beda
That's
Red
right.
Lion. Nagpula yan.
LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL. Pa-research ka tuloy dyan,
Oo
Coach Mike.
nga, si Ivan Nelly. Oh my. Calvin Octana.
Cortea.
3.
Off to the left, doesn't force it. Kwekotey, 5 seconds. Maiquez, 3 seconds. Kwekotey, corner 3, straight line and in for James Kwekotey.